So now we are going to see how we can find rational numbers between any two rational numbers. We have three methods. Method 1 is LCM, method 2 is average concept, method 3 is cross multiplication. So write any two rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 5. So the first method is LCM method. As we know how to compare two rational numbers, we find LCM, we'll say the denominator. The same thing we are going to do here. So take minus 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 5. Find the LCM of the denominator. LCM of 4 and 5 will be 20. And now you need to change this 4 to 20 and this 5 to 20. What should I do? 4 times 5 becomes 20. Same way 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 minus 15. And same way this 5 you need to change to 20. So how will I get 5 times 4 minus 2 times 4 minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. So now you have same denominator, so you can write as many numbers you want between these two rational numbers. So as it lies between minus 15 and minus 8, I can't go with minus 16 because minus 16 will not come within this range. So I can write any two rational numbers between this, any two. It depends upon you. So I'm going to take as minus 14 by 20, minus 13 by 20, and you will have minus 12 by 20, minus 11 by 20, till minus 8 by 20. You can write any 2 or 3 rational numbers, how many is asked in the question. Now we will see method 2, that is the average concept. How we will find the average? Let me take one rational number as A and the other rational number as B. How we will take average of two numbers? A plus B divided by 2. If I divide, I will get the number between A and B. Let me take this as C. The C lies between A and B. This is what the average concept. Most of the students will feel this as difficult method. Even I say, I would suggest you not to go with this method as this is a long process. You can do using method 1 and method 3. But avoid using average method, but you should know that such method is there. So the average method formula is A plus B by 2. So C is equal to, C is another rational number, okay. So now I'm going to find C1 because I want two rational numbers. How will I get C1? C1 is equal to this by 2. I'm taking it as 1 by 2 as I'm going to deal with rational numbers. This A is minus 3 by 4 plus and the B is minus 2 by 5. So now have this 1 by 2 as it is. Since the denominators are different, you can't add it directly. So I need to change this denominator as same as we found in the previous method. The LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. I need to change these two fractions with denominator 20. So I need to multiply by 5 in the first fraction and here by 4. So what will I get? Minus 3 times 5 is minus 15 plus minus 2 by 4 is minus 8. Now if I add, I will get 1 by 2 minus 15 plus minus 8. Both are having same sign, so I should add and put the same sign. So minus 5 plus minus 8 is minus 23 by 20. And if I add minus 15 and minus 8, it's minus 23 by 20. Now I can multiply these two. So C1 will be equal to minus 23 by 40. So this is one rational number lies between minus 3 and minus 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 5. So same way you can find the other fraction also. So now we have got minus 3 by 4, minus 2 by 5 and minus 23 by 40 lies between these two. Now you can use the same formula, taking this as A and this as B, and now you can find C2. Or you can use these two and find the C3. So likewise you can find as many numbers. But for each rational number you have to use the whole process. Now we will see the method 3, is cross multiplication method. I'm going to use the same. See, for these type of questions you will have different answers. No issues until the number comes between the given range. So cross multiply, you are going to cross multiply like this. The first denominator with the second numerator and the second denominator with the first numerator. And these two. This is very important. This line we will forget often. So when I multiply, what will I get? Minus 3 times 5 is minus 15. Minus 4 by minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. And if we multiply both the denominators, I will get 20. So for each one, and now you can write as many numbers you want. This is similar to the first method. So minus 13 by 20, minus 12 by 20, minus 11 by 20, minus 10 by 20. So in this you can pick any two rational numbers.